Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Grok error calling moderation service problem. So if you're facing this issue and the app isn't working properly, follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's dive in. First, open Settings on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on Apps, then select Manage Apps or All Apps, depending on your device. At the top, tap on the search bar, type Grok, and open the app from the list. Next, tap on Storage. Now tap Clear Data, then choose Clear All Data and press OK to confirm. This will remove temporary files and fix any corrupted cache that could be causing the problem. Once that's done, go back and close the Settings app completely. Now we need to change your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, or if you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. After changing your internet, reopen the Grok app and check if the error calling moderation service problem is fixed. And that's it. This simple method usually fixes the issue right away and gets everything working normally again. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.